we're gonna have a kindness rap battle. So, this is how it's gonna work. Each one of them have to come up with a kindness idea. So, he could say, help somebody cross the street. You could say, pick up a piece of trash. The first person to stutter and be like, loses. Are you guys ready? First one.
Lend someone a toy.
Lend someone a toy.
Be respectful.
Be respectful.
Recycle.
Recycle.
Good story.
Oh! Kindness takes a ton of bravery. When I was a little kid, when I was in kindergarten, there was this girl in my class, and her name was Christy, and every single day she would come to school wearing this necklace, right? And it was an important necklace. It was given to her by her great-grandma. Well, one day we walked into a tiny lunchroom, much like your guys's, right? And she gets her lunch tray, she takes off her necklace, sets it down next to her lunch tray, begins to eat her lunch. And then the bell rang, it was time to clean up, so she cleans up her mess, throws her leftovers in the trash, turns around to walk outside to go out to recess. But right before she gets outside the door, she stops, and she feels her neck. Guess what she just did? She accidentally threw it away. And now she looks over at the trash can, and instantly she starts to what? She starts to cry. That she cared about this necklace so much that she walks over to that trash can crying, taking out piece of trash by piece of trash to find the necklace that her great-grandma gave her. But then I saw this from across the way. I see that she's digging through the trash, so I walk over to help her. But right when I get about like 5 feet from her, I stop. And I think to myself, wait a minute. You see, if I help her, all my friends are gonna laugh and tease me for digging through the trash can. They're gonna make fun of me for doing something nice and kind to a girl. And so I had a choice. I could either do the right thing, something I know in my heart is the right thing to do, but if I do it, I'm gonna get made fun of. Or I could play it safe and walk away. So guess what I did? I ended up walking away. Was that really brave? Was that really nice and kind? No, you see, if you want to be a world changer, you have to be braver than I was when I was your age. So here's an important question that I'm going to ask you guys. How many of you sitting in this room right now would have helped her? Wow. There's some people out there that think kids like you can't change the world. Is that true? No. You see, the secret in order to change the world, it's not doing all these big, huge acts of kindness. It's about doing all the simple, small things every single day. If you guys want to be someone to make a massive difference in the world, then there's some important steps that you guys have to follow. The first step to change the world, everyone say this. Everyone say start small. Now, step number 2, everyone say be brave. Step number 3 is the fun one. Everyone say be kind. You guys have one mission every single day. Every single day when you wake up and you look in the mirror, I want you guys to say this. I want you guys to say, today, I'm gonna make the world better than I did yesterday. The only thing that matters is by the time you lay your head to rest tonight, you can say that I made a difference. I made the world better than I did the day before. If you just do one simple act of kindness, trust me, our world will be a better place. Everybody say, we can change the world.